Hey friends, my name is Gabrielle and welcome for Reese Reads, and this is my audition for the Less Than Famous panel. I went to VidCon last year and I had such an amazing time. One of the panels that I went to was obviously the Less Than Famous panel. I loved that panel. I thought that panel was great, but myself, and I remember talking about this with certain other creators afterwards, it almost felt like there were so many negative aspects of being a less than famous creator, and there wasn't really much focus on the positive aspects and all of the ways that being a smaller YouTube creator is amazing and allows us to have so many different options and opportunities. For example, I am on BookTube, and BookTube is a really small part of the YouTube community. Being part of a smaller community, I feel like has allowed for more people to collaborate together. You don't have the pressures that all the gigantic creators do, where if you make a certain type of content, you only can make that type of content. It lets you have so much more freedom. You can collaborate with so many other people. You can reach out to so many other people because generally it's more fun. It's not just like, oh, if I get with this person, I'll get this amount of views and this many subscribers. And being a smaller creator is better for me as a professional because I have a job outside of YouTube. I work as a speech therapist. I feel like a lot of other smaller content creators have an outside job, and this is a fun hobby that we have together. That is kind of an aspect of being a smaller creator that isn't addressed as much. I don't always have time to make YouTube videos, and if I don't make YouTube videos, it's not like anything bad will happen. I won't suffer a cut in pay. There's so many just different great aspects of being a smaller creator on YouTube that I would love to bring in front of this panel. So when I started YouTube, I started because I was going through a hard time. I wanted to be part of something that would take my mind off things, and for me that was BookTube. Another thing I love about being a smaller creator is that you can judge your success based on what you want the milestones to be. Oh, how comfortable am I in front of the camera today? Or how much fun did I have in this video? I have so much more engagement now with my videos than I did before. I have so many more people watching them and like commenting, and like we're able to have conversations. But if I make a video that I love and it doesn't get as many views or likes or comments, I still consider that a success because it's a video that I love. And I feel like as a smaller creator, we have that luxury. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and taking time out of your day to consider me as part of the panel. I hope to hear back from you, but if not, then I'm looking forward to attending VidCon anyway next year. And for everyone else who watches my videos, I upload bookish videos twice a week, as well as reaction videos whenever something cool comes out that I actually want to react to. But that's all I have for you guys today, so thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later.